Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to post a job on Indeed. If you're unfamiliar, Indeed is a global employment website designed for job listings and recruiting. You can simply search for Indeed in your browser or type Indeed.com directly. Once the site loads, this is how it looks. On the home page, you'll see options to find a job, submit a CV, or sign into your account. For those in the US, there's a specific link for local job listings. At the top, you can search for jobs or company reviews and even explore salary information for various roles. At the bottom, there are other resources, such as hiring labs, career advice, and information about certificates or schools. To start posting a job, go to the Employers section and click Post a Job. This will take you to the job posting section where you'll be guided step by step. First, you need to enter your company name and your first and last name, your phone number, then click Continue. If it's your first time posting a job, you'll be prompted to create an employer account. You'll fill out details like the company's industry, company's sub-industry, job title like here I will fill out video editor, then select the number of people you're hiring and job location. Since I'm posting for a remote job, I'll select fully remote option. Once all that's done, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll provide the details for your job. Then specify whether the job is full-time, part-time, or both. For this role, we'll choose part-time. You can also write the expected hours per week. You'll also need to select additional details, such as job schedule. For the schedule, we'll select Monday to Friday. Then click Continue to proceed next. Now let's add pay and benefits. You'll enter the pay range, in this case, between $100 to $200 per month. Specify whether you offer any supplements like bonuses or tips. If your company provides benefits, you can add those like flexible schedules or paid time off. Then click Continue. In the job description, clearly outline the responsibilities and qualifications. For this role, we're looking for someone to produce 8 to 10 videos weekly, a creative and detail-oriented editor. Add duties and your requirements. Once you have filled the job description, click Continue. Next, you can set preferences. Add your email to get application updates. Next, decide whether candidates need to submit a resume. You can make this mandatory, optional, or not required. For this job, I'll keep it optional. You can also choose if you require a background check for this job. Since I don't need a background check for this job, I will select No. Next, the review page will be opened. You can review all the information, so make sure there is no mistake in the job listing. After confirming, you can set the qualifications for your job. Based on job description, you will see some common qualifications listed below. You can cross and remove any skill that you don't require or can simply add one too according to your needs. Once you are satisfied, click Continue, proceed further. Now, here you will select the screening methods. You can add application questions to filter candidates. For examples, at least 1 year of experience in Adobe After Effects? At least 1 year of experience in DaVinci? These questions can be marked as required, meaning candidates must meet these requirements to proceed. You can also include custom questions if needed. Once the questions are finalized, click Save and Continue. Finally, review your job post to ensure all the details are accurate. When you're satisfied, click Continue to post the job. And that's it. Your job will now be live on Indeed, ready for applicants to view and apply. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching.